Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today's vlog is my name's Adira Sharma, and today's vlog is gonna be I'm gonna tell you and show you some of my morning routines. So I woke up at 8 a.m. I brushed my teeth, and I came downstairs. And now we're gonna eat my breakfast. So for today, my breakfast, I have milk and cereals. I have strawberries and bananas. And after this, I'm gonna do my schoolwork with my mom. So now we're doing our schoolwork, and today on reading, we combine reading and math. And today I'm gonna describe a monster with adjective and stuff from a poem called the Gruffalo. And then I'll do all my rest of the homework, then I'm free. I want to do my homework right now so I can have a free day. So let's get at it. Now, and over there, my sister's sleeping, so we're gonna go outside. And we're gonna go outside, just like my directions said, because my birthday's just in 2 more days. So I'm gonna go outside and do some stuff. So now we're outside and we're gonna get started. So I'm just gonna run around the house. I'm just gonna run around the house so I can get some exercise, all right? I'm gonna walk around the house, and to get some exercise. In a previous episode, I showed you our garden, and we're starting to get lots of peas. And this is and our peach tree got more peaches. And I hear a crow right now. And that house over there is one of our neighbor's house. This is our cactus. This is one of our spiky plants. And my favorite tree has grown up to be such a good. My second favorite tree has grown up to be such a big, strong tree. feels so good to get all that fresh air through my lungs. I just feel so good. Just feels so good with all that energy. Just so good. It just feels so good. It just feels so good to get outside and do what you want. So I'm walking around the house like I said. Yeah. Do you like this, guys? Make sure to like if you like this. I'm going inside now for a little. I'll go inside a little and check the time. It's gonna be almost my Google Meet time. It's almost gonna be my Google Meet time with my teacher. And and tomorrow we also have one more at 1 o'clock. So I'm gonna go inside and check the time. So now we're inside. And let's check the time. Ooh. So now it's my Google Meet time. So let's get at it. Hi guys. So now I've done my science, and I have one more thing at science. Green box, my favorite game to play in math. So let's get started. And I have to do it for 20 minutes.